Our topic for today is rounding off numbers to the nearest tens. We use rounding off the numbers whenever we want to make an estimate. When we don't need an exact answer, then we use rounding off numbers. Look at this number line where numbers from 10 to 20 have been written. The numbers 11, 12, 13, 14 are always rounded off to 10 as they are nearer to 10, but the numbers 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 will always be rounded off to 20 since they are closer to 20. So the basic rule applies for all the numbers that have to be rounded off, and it says that for rounding off the numbers, we must look at the digit at ones place. If the digit at ones place is less than 5, we round it off to the lower number. But if the digit at the ones place is 5 or more, we round it to the upper limit. Now look at the numbers 27 and 34 on the number line. What do you observe? We see that 27 lies between 20 and 30, and 27 is closer to 30 and not 20. So therefore, 27 is rounded off to 30. Let's see another example of 34. 34 lies between 30 and 40, but it is closer to 30 or 40. So we will observe that 34 is closer to 30 and not 40. So it is rounded off to 30. So that's how we can round off the numbers to the nearest tens. Suppose we have to arrange a birthday party and we have invited about 27 guests. But we are not sure how many will come. And the person who is arranging the party will ask us the number of people who will come. So what do? We can only make an estimate and round off 27, which is nearer to 30, and tell him to arrange for 30 people. That's how rounding off comes into use. Just remember, the basic rule of rounding off to nearest tens is that we must observe the digits at the tens as well as the ones place very carefully and then round off the number. Now all of you know which numeral is round in shape. It is a 0. So when we have a 0 or zeros at the ones place, we call it rounding off of the numbers. So children, I'm sure you are clear with the meaning of rounding off.